We are living in an era where internet has a very vital role in our lives. Everything from watching movie to ordering food or attending online classes to studying books online or posting about our whereabouts daily on the internet has become a schedule and a vital important part in our lives. While doing all these things, we tend to forget that what dangers and harms internet poses to us. Internet is a worldwide stage where anyone have access to everything. And when people get access to anything, they start violating it. So hi, this is Nikhil Sharma. Today I will be talking about what is cybercrime. The Indian law does not define cybercrime. It is not defined even in the Information Technology Act 2000 nor in the IT Amendment Act or any other legislation in India. Indian Penal Code does not define cybercrime even after by the amendment of Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. However, cybercrime can be defined as any criminal activity which is related to computers or internet, such as illegal trespass into a computer system or database of another, malfunctioning of the data, putting computer viruses, phishing, hacking, etc. In simple words, cybercrime can be defined as any crime which is related to computer and internet. Now, as you know what is cybercrime, the question arises that what you can do to protect yourself from cybercrime. So here are some steps which you can follow to protect yourself from being a victim of cybercrime. Number one, use strong password. Use different ID password for different account. Do not use the same password for your various accounts, and make the password strong by using different combinations like numbers, letters, symbols, etc. Number two, secure your computer. How you can secure a computer? You can secure your computers by installing firewall. Firewall is the first line of defense, cyber defense, which you can install in your computer. Use antivirus softwares. Antivirus software protect your system from being infected by the viruses, and keep on updating your antivirus on a regular basis, which will protect from any unknown virus which from entering your device. Block spyware attacks. How you can do this? You can protect your system from spyware attacks by installing spyware attack softwares and keep on updating them on a regular basis. The other step is very essential, that be a social media savvy. While using any of your social media account on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn, be very skeptical about it, that you should be cautious before posting anything online, because once it is on the internet, it is there for forever. Even you delete it from your device or from your account. So be cautious before posting anything and keep your settings private and keep on changing the security settings regularly. Do not keep it public. The other step which you can do is you protect your mobile devices. Your mobile devices are very much prone to viruses, so you should be aware that any software update which comes into your device, you should keep your phones updated, and there should not be any download from any unknown sources. Always download the app from known sources and from verified sources, and keep on updating your phone and keep the phone updated so that no virus can be infiltrated into your device from any old softwares. Protect your data. This is a very essential part, as many important information such as financial records and financial data. So all these information should be encrypted in your device, and you should also keep a backup of these profile into another location. Don't keep these backup in your phone device or on your system in which you use the internet. Keep it into a different location. Protect your Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi networks are very much vulnerable to intrusions, so you should be extra cautious or aware while using Wi-Fi, and avoid using any financial transaction from public Wi-Fi networks, and keep on changing your Wi-Fi network settings and password on a regular basis. Protect your identity when you are on the internet. Yes, you have to protect your identity. Be aware and be cautious while sharing your name, personal details, address, phone number and Aadhaar details, because if you share the Aadhaar details with any unknown person, or you are not aware about that website, it is secure or not, your Aadhaar number is linked with your bank account number, so it can be easily hacked and your financial data can be leaked and your money will be debited from your account and you will not be aware about it. So do not share your personal details from unknown sources or unknown person. Make sure the site you are using, it must be a secure site. Beware of phishing. Yes, do not click on any links, unknown links which you are not aware of. Nowadays, there are many links surfing around on WhatsApp or Telegram or many sites where they ask you to click on the link if you want to watch any OTT platform video for free, such as Amazon, Netflix. They give a 24-hour access and ask you to click on that link. So stop or avoid clicking on that links, because that can lead to a financial or loss to you or intrusion in your device, because as soon as you click on that link, unknown link, your data will be hacked by the hacker and everything will be erased from your device and you can suffer financial loss. And the hackers are using this technique very frequently nowadays because people are not aware about the secure links or unknown links. They click on these links, then they suffer financial loss, and it can lead to blackmailing, as hackers are using these techniques nowadays on a frequent basis. So you should be aware and be secure before clicking on any of the links. So what is the role of cyber lawyers nowadays and in such a cyber crime situation? Cyber law is a very developing and challenging field nowadays. Cyber law deal with these cases, cyber crime cases, and they ensure that their clients do not suffer any loss or fraud from these cyber law activities. So they tend to protect their clients from hackers. The some of the areas in which cyber lawyer deals are as follows. Number 1, fraud. Number 2, defamation. Number 3, harassment and stalking. Number 4, copyright. Number 5, trade secrets. And number 6, contracts and employment laws. The role and usage of internet has seen an immense increase in the recent time, as it has given access to the common people that they can access anything from the comfort of their home. It has also given access to the cyber criminals to your data, which you have provided intentionally or non-intentionally. So along with the legislation to protect and prevent people from cybercrime, it is necessary on our part as well that we should educate the common people and create awareness and educate them about the cybercrime. So this was all about cybercrime. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.